There's Brittany.
For the second time and the first
Yeah,
one.
say hi.
Brittany, you read that book, honey?
Yes, I finished it.
There's Roman.
I read 5 books.
Wow. I put some of you can write your own books, or I can just keep loading you on.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Ronan. Thank you for coming back, buddy. Guys, I've been a little long during the morning.
There's Noah.
Is that Noah? I see Noah. Here. Good afternoon, Noah. Good to see you today.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. It's not morning anymore. What are you eating?
Macaroni and cheese.
I had that yesterday. We'll just wait for a couple more people to come in, okay? We'll get started.
Caden's home.
I want to show you places on Star Walk.
She's gonna be very nice.
Noah.
Come to him.
Noah, is Noah on an iPad or a laptop?
He is on a phone.
He's on the phone. Okay.
Yes.
I can't see me. I'm not idiot. I'm not idiot.
Quinn,
You want to do like that, the background?
Hello.
Quinn.
Hello. Good morning.
Everybody's. It's not.
Good afternoon. That's Kaden. No, Miss Miller. Hey, math teacher.
I am the math teacher. And your camera's not on, sweetheart.
Quickly.
As long as you're there, you can listen.
You want to keep it like that?
Else? When you don't want to see me? Or you? So, guys. All right, here we go. I muted you so everybody can hear Miss Miller. We're going to get started on math because I want to show you some stuff at the end that might take a little longer. All right, we're going to do good things again. We're going to rote count to 100 today. We're going to talk about numbers identification, and I'm going to show you how to use a number line to add. Bum, bum, bum. We've done part whole with a paper plate this week. We've done domino math, domino addition. And now today we are going to do some number lines, okay? So I'm going to, let's see. Noah, tell us some good things.
There's some good things.
Happy.
Me and my dad play Mario Bros.
You did? Mario Brothers? Good.
Tell her that today we went outside. Tell her.
We went outside.
Outside. Hey, Noah, if you will go to Miss Miller's YouTube channel, your homework is to go outside again and draw. You know how sometimes you can see pictures up in the clouds? Draw me a picture of what you see. Sometimes you see puppies. Sometimes you might see a fish. Sometimes you have to use your imagination. So draw me a picture of it and then write me a sentence. I see a, then whatever you see. And then send it to Miss Miller.
Okay. Tell her we'll do that and we'll send the thing to her. We'll send it to her on class or
yes.
Something.
You don't have to do it today, but whenever you get a chance, okay? I'd love to see it. All right, let's see. Jace Rittenhouse, are you there? Let me hear your voice. There you are. Say hi.
Hi.
There you are.
No.
Let's say hi to Cadence. Cadence, tell everybody hi.
Hi. My good thing is we're gonna go outside today.
Are you going to go outside? Good. That's a good thing. Definitely a good thing. Jace Rodriguez, tell us something good.
I took me outside. I
Played outside.
Outside? Hey, Jace, I want you to go back outside today and draw me a picture of what you see in the clouds, okay? Maybe you see a dinosaur or a mountain. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right, guys. I muted you. Let's see. Quinn, tell us something happy.
Huh?
Tell me something good.
I lost my necklace. I lost my chain.
You need to find it.
I find it, but I can't find it.
Keep looking. Keep looking. It's got to be somewhere in your house because you probably haven't gone too far. All right, guys. I love to talk to all of you, but we got to get started on math. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do some counting. Nope. I think I had it already, but I'm trying to get better. I really, really am. Here we go. 1 to 100. Here we go. Thumbs up if you can see it. And let's count, guys. Everybody sit nice and tall and count with me.
Everybody count with me. Put your hands up and count to the beat. Come on, everybody count with me. 1 to 100 is where we gotta make it. Come on, everybody count with me. Put your hands up and count to the beat. Come on, everybody count with me. 1 to 100 is where we gotta make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Just follow DJ Double D.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Now we're at pretty.
Give me my top set. I'll give you some top sticks. No, bet. I'll give you a little skin.
Now we're at 60, 61, 63.
Give me some rock. Give me that first. Give me the chopstick. No, because then you're not the one you get chopstick. Give me that bird. I'm gonna use. You can't break it.
Come on, me. Come on, everybody, count with me. 1 to 100 is where we gotta end. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Now we made it to 100. I can make it to 100. You can make it to 100. So we go, let's count and make it to 100. Let's do 100. Let's count.
Did you do that? Did you count with me? Thumbs up. Good job. All right. Brittany, can you see that? Good. Thank you. Here we go. What number? 7. What number?
That's my teacher.
Where are you?
I'm gonna mute you. What number? 2. What number? 9. What number? 3. What number? 6. Good. What number? 1. What number? 8. What number? 4. Good. What number? 10. Nice job. What number? 5. I see you. What is that? Square. What is that? Circle. What is that? Rectangle. What is that? Rhombus. Rhombus. What is that? Oval. Triangle. All right, and we will stop that right there. All right, I'm going to unmute you so I can hear you for a minute. All right, are you still with me?
You're working, or you better get to work.
100, 100.
Welcome, Lane. Welcome. Okay, let me see everybody. All right, Brittany, what's your question?
The doctor said I can only drink water.
Yeah. No more sodas. No more sodas. All right. Let's see who else is it. I see Lane. I see Jace Rodriguez. I see Jace Rittenhouse. I still see Quinn, Noah, and Ronan. Good. Good, good, good. All right. So now we're going to go over here and we're going to talk about a number line. Okay? I'm going to show you what a number line is because I may have you make me a number line later today. All right? So I'm going to move all the way over. This is what we did this morning, Noah. We drew pictures of things we might see in the clouds, and then we wrote a sentence. I see a poodle. You only have to do one. And you can take a picture and send it to Miss Miller. Oh, here it is. Sorry, I lost my sheet. All right, number line addition, 1 to 5. Okay, the first thing you have to do in a number line is you have to make the line. Okay, so step number 1, draw a line. And these number lines, I'm going to make them go 1 to 10. Okay? So I'm going to start right here and put a dot right here. Now, a dot right here. I have to put 10 dots. I don't know, 5 is kind of in the middle of 10, so I'm going to put a dot in the middle. All right, and now I'm going to start. Now, this one has to be 0. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want this one to be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I want this one to be 10. So that's a good way to make a number line. You can slow this video down, look at it again. And so we're going to fill in our numbers. All right? So when we're counting, first we have with 0, then we have to put 1. Straight line. Number 1 is like a stick. Straight line down. It's very quick. 2, around and back on a railroad track. 2, 2. 3, around the tree, around the tree. That is how you make a 3. 4, down and over and down once more. That is how you make a 4. My 5's a little small, so I need to make it bigger. Down and around, add a hat, and 5's a clown. 6, make a curve, then a loop. There's no trick to make a 6. 7, cross the sky and down from heaven. That is how you make a 7. Let's see what number we're on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? 8. You're correct. Make an S. Do not wait. Go straight back up, and that's an 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A loop and a line. That is how you make a 9. And then I'm going to make my 10 just a little bit bigger so you can see it good. Okay. Okay, 10. So now that is a number line. You have to draw a line and put 1 to 10 across it, just 1 to 10. And the way we are going to use this on adding, I think I'm going to add, I've got all these buttons up here that I've been using. You can use pennies or blocks or Play-Doh, whatever. Make little balls of Play-Doh, make 10 little balls of Play-Doh. I think I'm going to add my yellow buttons and my red buttons, okay? So I'm going to start with adding my yellow buttons. I'm going to take put this one here, 1 under, above the 1, not the 0, because 0 means you don't have any buttons, right? I'll put this one under 2. Oh, over 2. All right. So now we can, so you start at 0 and you count 1, 2. Okay. Now we're going to add our red buttons. We've got our yellow buttons and we're going to add our red buttons. I'm going to add 1 red button. On each number is going to get a button. Okay, so we stopped our hopping at 2 because we only had 2 yellow buttons. Now we're gonna count on. So 2 yellow buttons. Now let's count on with the red buttons. 3, 4, and 5. There you go. You can circle that number. If you have 2 yellow buttons and 3 red buttons, you've got 5 buttons. I can write that 2 yellow buttons plus 3 red buttons equals 5 buttons in all. You see how I had to put a button on each number? And then where I end up is my answer. Okay? I'm going to listen to you, then I'm going to do another one for you. All right. Okay, you been watching? Look at the number line.
15.
Honey? All right. Okay, Cadence, you watch my number line? Focusing and listening to this, and you'll have to watch it again in a minute, okay? All right.
Okay.
Another number line. Let me mute you. You can hear me. Another number line, except for this time, I'm going to use. Oh, I forgot this yellow one. I'll just have to take that one off. All right, I'm gonna add my purples and my blues. Okay. So let's start over. You're gonna make yours at home just like this. First off, you have to actually make your number line. So you start at the left. I'll start. And go to the right. Remember, just like we're reading and writing. All right, our first number is always 0, because if you don't have anything, you have a 0. Then I like to I want my number line to go to 10. And I know in the middle of 10 is 5, so that helps you keep it straight. So now we just have to fill in the dots. All right, so now we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5's already there. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10's already there. Then I'm going to practice writing my numbers. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5's already there. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10's already there. Okay, this time I'm going to put my purple ones first. Now you can't put one on 0, because if you have 0, if you're on 0, you don't have any buttons. So if you have one button, you put it on top of the 1. Each button gets a number, just like if we're counting them. All right, so there's all my purple buttons. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 purple buttons. I'm going to go ahead and write that down. 3 purple buttons plus, now I'm going to add my blue buttons. Blue gets a number, and this blue gets a number. All right, so we know we have 3 purple buttons. Let's see how many we have in all. 1, 2, 3 purple. We've got 2 blue ones, 4 and 5. So we know we have 5 buttons all together. 1, 2 blue buttons. So 3 purple buttons plus 2 blue buttons equals 5 buttons in all. All right. You don't have to draw me 2 number lines. You can just make me 1. And that is your homework for today. Okay, is everybody still there, guys?
You know what your homework, right?
Yes.
Everybody there? Okay, so I want to show you something that you guys can play around with, okay?
How you doing?
Are you listening to me, Noah? Got to listen to Miss Miller. When you get on your laptop or your iPad or your phone, ask your mom and dad to put you on starfall.com, okay?
Oh.
So
Yeah, I have it.
but just when we
I
leave.
don't have Starfall. I don't have Starfall.
You can,
Mommy. I have Starfall.
yeah, you don't have to. I'm gonna mute you so you can tell me, so I can tell you.
I don't have Starfall.
Okay. If you don't have Starfall, that's okay. You can go to your apps and download it, and you don't want to pay for it. Just do the free one, because that's what Miss Miller does. I just use the free one, and I just use what they have. And they have lots of stuff that we can do for free. Okay? So let me get Starfall up here, so I'll show you where I want you to go.
Starfall?
Do it right now. Wait till we stop here, Noah, okay?
Okay.
Because I have a lot of the apps. I just don't know which one.
Thank
He
you.
needs to use.
Okay, I'm gonna mute Noah right now. All right. I'm gonna share my screen. And it's just the same star fall that we use in class. Remember this? The same star fall we used in class. Okay, so you want to go, for what I'm going to try to show you, we always go to kindergarten. And there's there's some songs you can do. Here's the ABCs. We like that. We'll do that next week. Here's that spot where you can read the books. You do word families here. And they give you a book and a movie to watch. So word families, book, movie, so you're going to go all three there, and then you can go down to number 2. All right, we'll do that later. You can do that on your own. What I want to show you is right here. See this hippo? Plus and minus, plus and minus. That's what I want you to click on. All right, so here's some math stuff. And the ones that are gray we can't do, but the ones that are colorful we can. This one is greater and less than. This is counting to 20. This is counting backwards to 100. But I found some more. So right here, go to the blue arrow, and there's some more stuff. Addition. There's a monkey that teaches you about money. There's add and subtract with the rockets. And there's some more things over there. Right now, we're going to do addition right here. So I'm going to click that. All right, it's like a little addition machine. If you look down here, here's a number line like we just made. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like the one that Miss Miller just made over here. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. 4 frogs plus 5 more frogs.
4 plus 5 equals.
Oh, how are we going to find out? How are we going to find out? Let's see. I think we can count. We're going to count the green frogs. Then we're going to count on with the red frogs and see how many frogs we have all together. So ready? Let's count. Ronan, are you listening, baby? Listening. Up here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's our number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 frogs. So I'm going to click the number 9. I think we have 9, and let's see if we're correct.
4 plus 5 equals 9.
See how it's using that number line? 4 plus 5 more equals
9.
9. We got a star. Sweet. Dinosaurs. So it looks like it gave us 5 dinosaurs over here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It gave us 2 dinosaurs over here. 1, 2. And now we're going to count to see how many all together. Ronan, you watching me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 all together. I'm going to click the 7. Remember what a 7 looks like.
5 plus 2 equals 7.
1, 2, 3.
7.
We got another star. Did you see that? We got another star up here. Okay. I think we have to get a new number sentence. Oh, dogs. Goodness, look at all those dogs. We're gonna have to count all those dogs. All right, let's count all the brown dogs. Are you ready? Jace Rodriguez, you counting with me? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brown dogs. There's 1 5. Now let's count the red ones. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red dogs. There's the second 5. Now let's count all the dogs. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We had 10 dogs. Let's click the 10 down here.
5 plus 5 equals
10. We're jumping off.
10.
That is so cute. And we get another song and a dance. All right, guys. That's just a spot on start.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay. Now I'll show you again how to get there. Okay, so we start here. We're going to click kindergarten because that's what we are. Then we're going to go down to the hippo, adding math, adding, subtracting math. We don't like, it's not on the first page of math, it's on the second page of math. Right there, that little handle. And you can also look at all this other stuff, but what I want you to do especially is play with this one. All righty? All right, I'm going to stop that. And that is going to be math today, guys. Hey, listen, for your homework, you don't have to make me 2 number lines. You can just make me 1, draw me 1 number line, and show me adding 2 things. You only have to go up to 5 if you want to, 1 to 5. All righty? I'm going to unmute you so I can hear you. All right, that's the end of our math. We counted, we talked about numbers, and we talked about adding to the number line. All right?
Oh. Okay.
I will see you. Guess what? Guess what?
Bye.
Bye. Don't go yet.
Have a good day.
Monday is a holiday, so Miss Miller will not be online teaching you on Monday. Monday's no school day. So even if it's an at-home school, it's a no school day. So you spend time with your mom and dad. You spend time doing your favorite things, working out, singing songs. Okay? Take a walk. And I will see you on Tuesday at 10 o'clock for math. For reading. All right? I'll unmute you now.
Miss Miller?
Yes.
Miss Miller? Well, I just wanted to say, well, bye, Miss Miller.
Okay, bye, guys. I will
Miss Miller.
I'll
Have a
see
good
you.
day, Miss
I'll
Miller.
see you on Tuesday.
Bye, Jace. Bye, Kaden.
Have a good day,
I'll
Miss
miss
Miller.
you.
Bye. Have a good day, Miss Miller.
All right. Bye, Quinn.
You're the best teacher ever.
Bye, guys.
Best teacher ever.